How to fix Facebook story effects not showing. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook story effects not showing. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first step is to update the Facebook app. So here, if you open your Facebook app and if you want to create a story for your Facebook, and if you don't see any filters button at the camera section of the story, then what you can do is simply close the Facebook app completely, and after that you can simply open the Play Store. And now here, once you're inside the Play Store, then what you can do is just tap on the search icon to go to the search section, and here you can just tap on the search bar and simply search for the Facebook app. And here, if you see any update button, then you can simply tap on it to update the app to the latest version. And with that, moving forward to the next step. So the step 2, that is to check your internet connection. So story effects sometimes fails to load if your internet connection is slow. So here, in that case, you can try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data and then reopen the Facebook app. And here, with that, moving forward to the next step, that is to clear the Facebook cache. So here, just in case, if you're using the Android phone, then what you can do is simply open the settings app. And now here, once you're inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on apps. And now here in this section, just tap on manage apps, and after that you can simply search for the Facebook and tap on it. And now here in this section, what you can do is you can just tap on clear data button, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, you can just tap on clear cache and confirm it by tapping on OK. And with that, once you're done clearing the cache, you can simply open the Facebook app and check if the filters works again or not. And with that, moving forward to the next step, that is to restart the app. So here, if you're still facing the issue in the app, then what you can do is just close the Facebook app completely, and after that you can simply reopen it again. And after that, you can try creating a story and the effects, and with that the effects should appear normally. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.